Welcome student in today's online class. In today's online class I want to start your new chapter. The title of your new chapter is A Question of Trust. This is very interesting story and written by Victor Canning. Actually this story is about Horace Denby. Horace Denby is a locksmith by profession. He is 50 years old man but still unmarried. He is bachelor. He is a locksmith. He is very honest person but he is not a complete honest person. Actually he is fond of reading rare expensive books, and for buying those books he robs a safe every year. Actually he has two servants to help him at his shop. He had spent whole of his life in among locks and keys, and he is very expert in breaking any lock. Moreover, Horace Denby is a special type of thief. He don't rob poor people. He robs only rich people who have enough money at their homes. Moreover, Horace Denby plans very carefully before breaking any safe that he targets. Presently he is planning for breaking a safe at Shotover Grange. He has checked the house, its electric wiring, its path, garden, name of the dogs, everything. He knows where the burglar bell is there. He knows that there is a safe at the Shotover Grange. The owner of the house are not there and the servants have gone for watching a movie. Moreover, Horace Denby also wear glove while breaking a safe. He don't leave any fingerprints to detect him. Then one more thing, Horace Denby suffers from hay fever. Okay, he has problems from smell of anything like roses. He coughs a lot. Breaking a safe is not a difficult task for him, but an unexpected thing happened there when he reached to break the safe at the Shotover Grange. When he was about to break it, he met a lady there. That lady is very clever. She is wearing a red dress. Actually this lady presents herself as the owner of the house. He told Horace that he can call the police and he will be sent to jail. But Horace Denby is afraid of going to jail. But lady told him that she can spare him only at one condition, because she is owner of the house. She has just arrived there, but she has forgotten the number to break open the safe, and he has to break open the safe for her so that she can wear the jewelry that was put into the safe. Horace agreed and he broke open the safe without wearing gloves in his hands. The lady is very clever. She is very sharp-minded and she tricked Horace because she herself is a thief. She forced Horace to break open the safe for her After 2-3 days of this, Horace was arrested for opening the safe at the Shotover Grange because his fingerprints were found everywhere in the room at the spot of crime, and he is in the prison, and he is also thinking about that sharp-tongued, very clever and shrewd lady who tricked him to put him into the prison. So this is the story, a question of trust, story of two thieves in which one thief tricked the another thief to send him into the prison and grabbed the entire amount of burglary. Thank you so much. I hope that you will enjoy the story when we will read it word by word. Have a nice day. Tomorrow I will explain the textbook word by word. Thanks for watching me, and have a nice day. Thank you so much.